Greetings eWarung merchants. Before you can start selling your products using eWarung, there are some necessary steps to take to set up your eWarung store. First, log in with the phone number you registered with eWarung. If this is your first time logging in, you will be prompted to change your password. Once you log into KDS, click on Settings. First, you need to set up your payment options for your customers to pay you. Go to Payment Setup. There are two options, Touch and Go e-wallet or Do It Now QR. You must set up at least one payment method in order for your customers to pay you. To set up Touch and Go, click on the Touch and Go button, and you can insert either a Touch and Go payment link or a QR code. There is a tutorial video on the page that will show you how to obtain Touch and Go payment link from Touch and Go application. You can also add payment instructions for your customers, or just use the default one. The second payment option is Do It Now QR. Click on the Do It Now button and upload the QR code image and configure a payment instruction. The next thing is delivery credits. You are required to maintain sufficient credits to fulfill your delivery orders. Credits will be deducted from this account whenever you request a rider. For dine-in and/or pickup-only stores, delivery credits are not required. To top up credits, you just need to click on Top Up, enter the desired amount, then it will redirect you to eGHL payment page to complete the transaction. After your top-up is successful, you will be able to see your current updated balance, and it will be shown in the top-up history. Next is the store information settings. In this page, you can edit the information such as store name and store address. The SMS notification field is where you can input the phone number associated with your store. All the communications, such as resetting password, arrival of new order, etc. will be communicated to this number via SMS, so make sure the number is valid. For the store address, you need to type your store address, then our system will propose a selection of addresses. Pick your address from the list. If the location is not accurate enough, you can drag the pin on the map to locate your actual location. The second thing is store URL and my store QR code. You can share the link or QR code with your customers. Simply copy the link or download the QR code on your devices for easy sharing. If your store accepts customers to place orders in advance and then arrange for delivery or pickup later, you can configure this at the store opening hour settings page. Tick the box here, and you can set the maximum number of days your customer can place the orders in advance. The final thing your store needs is for you to set up your menu. In KDS, you can click on Menu where you can create, update, and delete your products and manage add-ons. We will go through a quick demo on how to create a new product. You can click on the Add New Product button and enter your product's name. Next, you can upload your product image. Following page is the product's price. If your product is taxable, then you can tick the box here. The product's price will be updated automatically. Next is products category. Group your products into different categories to create a more organized menu. You can have more than one category tied to a product. You can type in the category you want to create, or select from the list that you've created before. The final step is to create add-ons for your product. If you do not have any add-ons, then you can proceed with the No Add-on option. If you have add-ons for your product, then proceed with the Yes option. The demo in the video will show you how to create the two different types of add-ons. Firstly, what is an add-on? Add-on is a feature in our system where the customer can customize their orders based on predetermined or free selections. Add-ons can be activated and customized per product during the product creation. For choices input, there is a feature where you can control the availability of an add-on. It means that you can change the availability of the add-on anytime you want. If you uncheck this box, then the system will assume that the add-on will be available all the time. This is an example of choice options. We provide a few selections for our customer to pick. In the example, the candle types, our customer can select either fireworks candle with additional $2 or normal candle with no additional cost. For choice options, you can set the minimum and maximum of selection you want your customers to pick. If the add-ons are optional, then can set the minimum selection to 0, otherwise the add-on will be mandatory for customers to pick before they can order the product. Another example is the text option that the user can input whatever they want. Before you publish the page, the product summary will be shown. Make sure everything is correct before you click on Create Product to create the product. After the product has been created, you can see the product in the menu page. Keep in mind that you will need at least 5 products before your shop available to the public. You can edit the product by clicking on the product itself. It will show all the product's attributes, where you can edit the product as you wish. To delete a product, click on the red trash bin logo on each product. Finally, to disable a product when it is out of stock, you can switch off your product. This will disable customers from being able to order the product. To manage add-ons, you can go to the Add-ons tab on the top of the menu page. If the add-ons are out of stock, you can switch off the add-ons, which will disable the add-on on all products that have this particular add-on. You can also delete the add-on by clicking the red trash bin icon. Lastly, there is a Reset All button where it will set all add-on status to available. Reminder: on the top right corner of the order page, you will see the Open and Closed button. You need to switch it on in order to start receiving orders. Remember to close your store if it's out of your business hours so that customers will not be able to place orders from your website. Every time you open your store, a pop-up will show asking, do you want to rest all your add-ons items back to available? If you select yes on this pop-up, then all of your add-ons will be turned on automatically, making them available to order. Congratulations! You have completed setting up your eWarung store. You can go to your website, where you can see your store, ready to be visited by your customers.